Yeah, I'm eating stir fry that I made. What do you mean I can't eat it? I can't eat the prop food? But I made it. I made this. I can't just take one. I'm just gonna take one bite. Woo! That's so good. Sorry, what were you saying? I muted for the video. I mean, trying to work something out, like, I'm so rich. I need energy so that I could teach, you know? Hi you guys, it's your girl JJC. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. Welcome to the Dance with JJC series. So today we're going to be learning the dancehall move called STIRRR, aka stir fried dance. Okay, so big ups to Ding Dong, Trey Ravers, and the whole Ravers Clavers dance crew out in Jamaica. Big ups. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, then definitely stick around. Alright, so some of y'all like the breakdown of the look a little bit, so here it is. So I got some chopsticks, these pink ones like up in my hair that I've used in my hair before. These earrings that look like the takeout boxes. It says thank you. And then this, the top, is a traditional Chinese silk top. It's like the traditional wear. The actual silk top, it has a Mandarin collar. I don't know if you guys know what that was called, but this type of collar is called the Mandarin collar. And yeah, so this is not to be confused with any other Asian country and their traditional wear. This is specifically Chinese, like China, okay? And it's beautifully made. It's so soft, it's silky. It has like embroidery in it, like really cool designs. It's really beautiful. Then I have some black stretchy biker shorts. And then I have my mint Reeboks here. Alright, super cool and comfy. And then I have my stretchy variety store bracelet. And that's pretty much the look. So let's get into the warm-up. Warm-up. If you guys haven't watched any of my other videos, my tutorials, I always suggest that we what? That we warm up. Yeah! If you already have a warm-up, by all means, you could do it. Okay, if you're already warmed up, fast forward to the breakdown and what have you. If not, then follow along with me. And if you're still feeling stiff or anything, then just repeat it. And just get your body warmed up so you are able to move a bit better. You know, your muscles just feel warmer and they just feel like, you know, more flexible, and the blood's flowing and everything is just feeling nice and good, and you just feel pumped like, yeah, I'm ready to do this dance move, okay? actual move, we're going to be walking 4 steps forward, and we're going to have just walk kind of with a style, but kind of like angle our foot out kind of diagonal as we're stepping out. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my body is gonna naturally just kind of go with whatever direction my toes pointing. Okay, so I'm just gonna step out 4 times. Gonna go right, left, right, left. Okay, I don't have like a huge area to like do this, so if you don't have a huge area, you could just do like little baby steps, kind of cheat it. But if you have lots of room, feel free to just walk out like regular. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms can just swing to the side, just naturally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as I come to the front, it's gonna go right foot heel, left foot toe, and then switch. Okay, so when I switch to the other side, my right foot steps back to, you know, to kind of catch my balance naturally. Okay, so here, twist. Okay, so here and twist, and hopefully that other foot is going to naturally just kind of bounce back because you don't want to fall, right? That foot's coming back so you catch your balance. Okay, so here, twist, and that right foot kind of steps back a little bit, and then we gotta twist it again. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. It's gonna look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here, twist, all right, and then twist, and then twist, and back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how I'm just twisting? Here, here, here. Okay, so here, back, back, back. Okay. So it's just like opposites. Like if my heel's on the floor, then my other leg, my toes should be touching the floor. Okay. So here, here. So when you turn the other side, right toe on the floor, left is on the left heel on the floor. Okay. So switch to switch to switch. Boom. Okay, and the arms, I feel like are naturally going to do what they're supposed to do, because I'm just literally just doing it to however. So my arms are not doing anything in particular. They're just going with whatever my foot is doing, okay? So it's just naturally doing swing by its side, okay? So from the top, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna get this. I so believe in you. Alright. So 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then twist it out. So when I come up here, I just get ready to twist it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you crouch down, when you are crouched down, you know, you can emphasize different parts. Okay, as you're coming back, you can swing your arms a little bit wider. Alright, So as you walk up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay, so you can exaggerate some of the moves if you're comfortable with doing that. Okay, 1. Yes. All right, so the arms. The arm is just very simple. So as we walk up, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're just stirring. Ha! Stir, fry, stir. So you could choose which arm you want to do it with, right, left. I do it with my right. You can choose even how many fingers you want to do the stirring. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, your whole palm, okay? All right, really stir it up. Now, but you could do it, you know, as big as little as you want, all right? So when we're walking up from the top, is going 1, 2, 3, 4, and stir. And I mean, I don't really count how many circles I do with the stir. It just kind of goes hand in hand with the music as well. You know, how many ever. For the sake of this tutorial, we could do, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5, I guess. So from the top, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, stir, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the simple, that is like the simple version of it. You could go a little more challenging if you want, and that one I would say is stirring while you're twisting, walking back. Okay, so I'll show you that one right now. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and stir, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So there are variations to it, but it's up to your comfortability. And if you practice it for a while, you know, I feel like you'll get into the groove of it and be able to do, you know, a little bit more of the challenge version. So regular version, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Alright, so you guys just learned the STIRRR dancehall move. I hope you guys had a great, amazing, and fun time. I always have a blast teaching you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining the Dance with JJC series. Don't forget to check out my other dance tutorials. And if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn the notification bell to know when I upload a new video. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. See you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC. Toodles!